Hello.
Hello guys. So we ordered this book from Amazon because now we need to teach Jacob how to read.
Wait, Mom, I got something also from Amazon.
Which one?
A flashlight.
A flashlight?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see if this is helpful for Jacob. Okay. So let's open Jacob. So there are a couple of books inside. So let's start with math.
Matt.
Yeah. Okay. Can you read this, Jacob? This is the title. Okay. Can you read this?
Wait, Matt?
Yes, math. Math.
Matt?
Yes. Okay. Very good. Again.
Matt.
Mm.
Matt?
Okay.
What is one? What's that? Matt?
Math.
Wait, Mom.
Okay, here.
Matt?
Again, louder.
Matt? Sat?
Yes. Together is.
Sat?
What's the sound of M? No, okay, again.
Sam?
Yay!
Sam! Who's that?
Sam, so Matt, Sat, Sam. And this is Sam, okay?
Yeah. Sam.
Sam.
Sat?
Yes.
Sat.
The straight words. Straight word. Come on. Come on. Straight word. Come on. Here.
Where's my water?
Hey.
Oh.
Come on, read it in whole lang. You will repeat it. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Sat.
Hey, this one first.
Sam. Sat. Matt.
Together is.
Sat.
Okay, again. Math.
Matt. Sat.
Together
Sam.
in.
Sat.
Very good.
Sat.
Okay. This one. Come on.
Sat.
Hey, do. Good.
Matt. Okay. He's not a baby.
Yeah, come on. Together.
Sam.
Okay. No. Together is. Together. Sat.
Sat. On. Sam. Sam's. Who is that?
Come on.
And who is that?
You will know when you read.
Okay.
Come on. Come on. Too much break. Come on. Come on na. Now it's time.
Sam.
Louder.
Sam.
Together is.
Sat. On. Matt.
Yes. So Sam sat on Matt.
Who's that?
Yes, Matt sat on Sam. This is Sam. He sat on Matt. This
So
one.
he sat on Sam.
Okay. Come on.
Oh,
Come on.
Sam.
No, that's not Sam.
Matt. Sam.
Steve. Together is.
Ah.
No, together is. Mm-hmm.
Ah.
Oh, no, together is.
Sa.
Yes, louder, louder.
Sa.
Sat.
Sat.
Yes. Come here, just here. Come on. We're almost done. It's the end. Come on. Come on.
Wait, how many pages are
This
there?
is the last.
Oh!
Come on now. Oh, that's why I read it. Come on. This.
Sam? Ah. Sat.
Okay. Oh, this is. Come on. This is.
The. E.
Eh.
Eh.
What's the sound of
No.
the end? End. Again.
The end. The
Okay.
end.
Open the electric fan. Okay, finish with one book.
Okay.
Now we will try to do it a little bit faster. Jacob will repeat it for you guys. Come on, Jacob.
Guys, you're gonna read, right?
Yes, you will read with Jacob. Come on, faster, faster. You already read this. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on now.
Matt.
Okay.
Read it for us.
Come on, come on.
Here.
Come on now.
Matt. Sat.
Okay.
Sam. I can read it from over
Yes.
here.
Yes.
Sat. Sam. Sat. Matt. Sat. Sam. Sat.
Very good to Very good to Oh, this one. Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay. Sat. Matt. Okay. Ah.
Together is? Together is?
Sat.
Stop.
Sat.
Uh-huh.
How can I read it from over here?
Come on now.
Matt.
This one.
What?
This one.
On. Sam. Okay.
Done.
Sat.
No.
Sam. Ah.
Together is?
Sat. On. Matt.
Almost done again.
Sat.
This one.
Sam.
No, read it.
Matt. Ah.
Together is?
Sat. Sam. Sat. Sat.
This one.
The end.
Yay! Woohoo! Well done, Jacob. Kiss
Wait,
Mommy.
which button?
Okay, now it's turn. It's time for the second book, and the title is.
Bye-bye.
Second
Hey,
book.
what?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ka-Vibes. Come on.
Thank you, Vibes.
I love you.
I love you.
See you on my next reading. Come on.
See you on my next reading.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mhm.